What if I told you the reason you're still struggling with money is not because you're lazy, not because you don't work hard, but because you were never taught the rules of money? Today, I'm going to show you the biggest money mistakes that keep hardworking people broke and how you can break free. If learning simple money lessons is important to you, welcome to the Gene Finance Tips and Education channel. Please like, share, and subscribe so we can learn and grow together. Hello and welcome. Let me ask you a serious question. Do you work hard, maybe long hours, maybe even more than people who seem richer than you, but somehow, at the end of the month, the money is gone? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world wake up early, work all day, come home tired, and still feel stuck financially. And here's the painful truth. Backhand index pointing right hard work alone does not make you rich. Backhand index pointing right hard work without money knowledge keeps you poor. In this video, you'll learn why working harder doesn't always mean earning more, the biggest money mistakes most people make without realizing it, real-life examples that might sound just like your life, and most importantly, what to do instead. This video is not about blaming you. It's about opening your eyes. So relax, listen carefully, and stay until the end, because one idea here could completely change how you see money forever. Let's start with the first big mistake. Cross-mark mistake number 1. Working hard without a financial plan. Most people have a work plan. They know when to wake up, where to go, what job to do, but they don't have a money plan. They earn money, then they spend money, then they hope something is left. That is not a plan. That is guessing. Brain real example. Imagine two people. Person A earns $300 a month. Person B earns $1,000 a month. You would think person B is richer, right? But here's the twist. Person A tracks expenses, saves a little, avoids debt. Person B spends everything, buys things to look rich, and saves nothing. After 5 years, backhand index pointing right, person A has savings. Backhand index pointing right, person B is stressed, in debt, and living paycheck to paycheck. Income alone does not decide wealth. Planning does. Bar chart simple truth. A famous statistic says, over 60% of people earning above average income still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because money without direction disappears. White heavy check mark what to do instead. You don't need a big income to start. You need a simple budget, a clear goal, a decision for every dollar. Tell your money where to go, or it will disappear without saying goodbye. Cross-mark mistake number 2. Increasing your lifestyle instead of your wealth. This is one of the most dangerous money traps. You get a raise. You buy a better phone. You earn more. You upgrade your lifestyle. And suddenly, you're still broke. This is called lifestyle inflation. Brain story. A man gets a new job with better pay. First month, new clothes, new phone, eating out more. He feels successful. But 3 months later, no savings, more bills, more pressure. His income went up, but his stress went up too. Bar chart statistic. Studies show that when people earn more, their spending rises almost the same amount, their savings stay the same, or even go down. That's why many rich-looking people are actually broke. White heavy check mark what to do instead. When your income increases, don't rush to upgrade your life, upgrade your future. Ask yourself, will this purchase help me tomorrow or just impress people today? Lie below your means. That gap is where freedom is born. Cross-mark mistake number 3. Only earning active income. Most people earn money one way. Backhand index pointing right, time for money. If they don't work, they don't earn. That's dangerous because you can get sick, you can lose your job, you can get tired. Time is limited. Money doesn't have to be. Brain simple example. Think about a farmer. He doesn't eat the seeds. He plants them. Why? Because seeds grow. Money works the same way. If you spend everything you earn, nothing grows. Bar chart simple fact. Rich people don't just work for money. They save, invest, build assets. Even small amounts, done consistently, can change everything. White heavy check mark what to do instead. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need patience, discipline, long-term thinking. Start small. Let money work for you, even while you sleep. Now let's talk about the mistake that keeps people blind. Cross-mark mistake number 4. Avoiding financial education. Most people were never taught about budgeting, saving, investing, debt. So they guess. And guessing with money is expensive. Brain truth. You learn math in school. You learn history. But nobody teaches you how to manage your salary. So people repeat what they see. Bad habits, bad decisions, bad results. White heavy check mark what to do instead. Learning about money doesn't require big words, complex math. It requires curiosity, consistency, the right information. The more you learn, the better your decisions become. Let me say this clearly. You are not poor because you are lazy. You are not poor because you are weak. Many people are poor because, back-end index pointing right, they were never shown a better way. But today you learn something new. And learning is the first step to freedom. One small change, one better decision, repeated every month, can completely change your life. If this video helped you even a little, thumbs up like this video. It helps more people see it. Speech balloon comment below. Which mistake hit you the hardest? Push and subscribe for more simple money lessons that can change your future. Remember, hard work plus money knowledge equals freedom. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Being poor is not always about laziness. Many hard-working people are poor because no one taught them money. But now you know better. Small steps, daily habits, right knowledge. This is how lives change. Like this video. Backhand index pointing right, share it with someone who needs it. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe for simple money lessons for the Gene Finance Tips and Education channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this comprehensive, all-legion video. I hope you found it informative. I'm glad to welcome you back with another presentation. Have a great day.